Hello and good day everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir Marcy, and for today's video, we're going to discuss the second part of Quarter 3, Module 2, which is all about solving problems involving properties of rectangle. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated with my latest videos. And for our previous lesson, we discussed already the different properties of rectangle. The properties of rectangle involves all the properties of a parallelogram, which is opposite sides are parallel and congruent, opposite angles are congruent, consecutive angles are supplementary, diagonals bisect each other, and each diagonal divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Plus, the unique properties of rectangle are all angles are right angles and diagonals are congruent. Okay, since na-discuss ko na in my previous videos yung different properties of rectangle, we're going to apply it in this lesson. So we're going to use the properties of rectangle to solve for the missing measures in the diagram. So in our figure, we have LM and O is rectangle, and if side LM is equal to 16, then MN or side MN is equal to 12. And the measure of angle 1 is 60. So we're going to find the measure of, we have side ON, then we have side OL, which is this one, and then we have diagonal LN, and we have this one, segment LX, then number 5, angle LON, then we have angle 2. So unahin muna natin si side ON. So para makuha natin si side ON, first is kailangan natin i-label yung ating measures ng mga sides. So given dito is LM, which is equal to 16. So LM. So this one LM, side LM is 16. And we have side MN, which is this one. The measure is 12. Then we have angle 1, which is 60 degrees. So ito si angle 1, which is 60 degrees. Now here, pwede na nating masagutan si side ON. So anong property yung pwede nating gamitin to find the measure of side ON? So kung babalikan natin yung properties of rectangle, pwede nating i-apply yung properties of parallelogram, which is also the property of rectangle. Sabi doon, opposite sides are parallel and congruent. So if LM is equal to 16, ibig sabihin si ON also measures 16. By applying the property of rectangle, opposite sides are congruent. So this is 16. Next, doon naman tayo kay side OL. So kung mapapansin nyo si side OL, pwede rin natin i-apply yung property of rectangle na opposite sides are congruent. So since they are parallel and also congruent, so meaning the measure of side OL is also 12. Now, dun tayo sa number 3. Si number 3, that is diagonal LN. So, ito yung hinanap natin doon, diagonal LN. Para makuha natin si diagonal LN, gagamit tayo ng Pythagorean theorem. Sir, ano po yung Pythagorean theorem? At kailan po natin ginagamit ang Pythagorean theorem? So, ang Pythagorean theorem ay ginagamit lang natin if that is a right triangle. Sir, bakit po nyo nasabi na right triangle? Remember, sa property ni rectangle, all angles are right angles. So, ibig sabihin, si angle O, this is 90 degrees. Si angle N, also 90 degrees. Angle M, 90 degrees. And angle L, also 90 degrees. Now, paano natin masasolve si diagonal LN? So by applying, as I've said, gagamit tayo ng Pythagorean theorem. Okay, ano po yung ibig sabihin nun? The square of the two sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. And in this case, ang ating longest side is our diagonal. So pwede natin sabihin na LO squared plus ON squared, since ito yung ating sides ng triangle. So LO squared plus ON squared is equal to LN squared. So ito yung definition natin ng Pythagorean theorem. The sum of the squares of the two sides is equal to the square of its hypotenuse. So ang LO natin, alam natin na ang sukat niya ay 12. So that's 12 squared plus ON, which is 16 squared, is equal to LN. So hindi natin alam yung sukat ni LN, that's why it is LN squared pa rin. Then simplify natin yung mga exponent. 12 squared, that is 12 times 12, that is 144, plus 16 squared, which is 16 times 16, 256, is equal to LN squared. Then add natin 144 plus 256, the answer is 400, is equal to LN squared. Since ang kailangan natin ay LN lang, and LN here is raised to the second power, so we will apply extracting square root. So we will extract square root. So square root of 400, that is 20. Then this one, applying the property of radical, so LN is equal to 20. Okay, so ang sukat ni LN ay 20. Now, paano naman natin kukunin si segment X? So, kung babalikan natin ang unique properties ni rectangle, diagonals are congruent. Ibig sabihin, yung diagonal natin dyan, si LN, is equal kay OM. So, dahil sila ay nag-intersect, it divides the diagonal into two congruent parts. Or it divides the diagonal into two congruent parts. So si OX is equal kay XM. Also, LX is equal to XM. But then take note, since equal si LN at si OM, pwede nating sabihin na si LX ay equal kay XN ay equal kay OX ay equal kay XM. Bakit? Dahil nga po parehas yung kanilang sukat ng diagonal. Now, going back to our figure, kung si LN ay 20, so this one, si LN ay 20, ilan ngayon si LX? Very good. The answer here is 10. Okay? So, kung 10 si LX, ibig sabihin, ang sukat ni XN ay 10, ang sukat ni OX ay 10, and ang sukat ni XN ay 10. Okay? Now, let's now move on with angle LON. So, kung titingnan natin, asan si angle LON? Si angle LON ay simply angle O. Okay? So, kung titingnan natin sa ating figure, we have angle LON. Ito siya. But then, as I've said earlier, that is simply angle O, which is the turning point of which is the vertex. Okay? So, anong sukat ni angle O? The answer is 90 degrees. Okay? Because, as I've said kanina, one of the unique property of rectangle is that all angles are right angle. Now, doon naman tayo sa number 6. What is the measure of angle 2? Since meron tayong angle 1 which is 60 degrees, alam natin that angle L is 90. So we have angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle L. Si angle L may sukat na 60 degrees plus we're looking for the measure of angle 2. Then we have angle L. Remember, angle L is 90 degrees. So, apply natin yung subtraction property. So, magsusubtract tayo both sides of the equation by negative 60. So, this is cancelled out. Then, we have angle 2 is equal to 90 plus negative 60. The answer is 30 degrees. Okay? So, ang sukat ng angle 2 is only 30 degrees. Okay, sagutan natin yung tanong sa inyong module. Let's say the diagonal of a rectangle have lengths 5x minus 11 and 2x plus 25. So find the length of the diagonals. So in this problem, given ay dalawang diagonal. So we have 5x minus 11. So kunwari, itong diagonal na to, this measures 5x minus 11. And then we have the other diagonal which measures this one, 2x plus 25. So, kung babalikan natin ang property ng rectangle, diagonals are congruent. So, ibig sabihin nun, parehas yung kanilang sukat. So, we have 5x minus 11 is equal to 2x plus 25. Then, combine similar terms tayo. So, yung 2x, ilipat natin sa kaliwa. So, we have minus 2x. Then, yung negative 11, i-transfer natin sa kanan by adding both sides of the equation by 11. Then, simplify natin. 5 plus negative 2x, the answer is 3x. Then, negative 11 plus 11, that is 0, is equal to 2x plus negative 2x, that is still 0. Then 25 plus 11, that is 36. Now, divide natin both sides of the equation by 3 para makuha natin ang value ng x. So 36 divided by 3, that is 12. So hindi pa tayo sagot. Ang tanong is length of the diagonal. So pwede tayong pumili ng kahit ano sa dalawa para makuha natin yung length ni diagonal. So let's say we're going to use 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 25 is equal to, substitute natin yung nakuha nating value ni x. So that's 2 times 12 plus 25. So 2 times 12, that's 24 plus 25. Then the length of the diagonal is 49. So that is letter C. So that ends our lesson for today. I hope you learned something new. Okay, again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And pakihit na rin po ang bell para ma-notify